Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use green color. The next one is red color. Kids, now we use yellow color. And the next one is blue color. Now we use black color. Kids, now we start drawing. First we use green color and draw alphabets. Alphabets of A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cow. The next one is D. D for dog. Now we draw E and use red color. Red color. E for egg, and the next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. We again use red color. Now we draw 2. T-W-O, 2. Kids, now we use yellow color and draw the number of 3. Now we use yellow color. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now we draw shapes. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we use black color. The shape of circle. The next one is triangle, and now we use green color. Now we use green color. Kids, the next one is heart. Now we draw the shape of heart. Red color. The next one is star. Yellow color. Now we draw the shape of star. Kids, today we draw A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Square, circle, triangle, heart and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.